Today, we're diving into the top 5 mechanical keyboards you should consider. Each offers unique features and benefits to suit various needs, whether for gaming or productivity. First up is the Corsair K70 RGB PRO, a keyboard that stands out with per-key RGB lighting, allowing for extensive customization to match any setup. Its 6 programmable macro keys make it ideal for both gaming and productivity tasks. The Corsair K70 also boasts a durable aluminum frame, ensuring it lasts through intense use. However, it's priced over $200 and might be too large for those with limited desk space. In second place is the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro, renowned for its signature green switches beloved by many. Its wireless Bluetooth capability offers flexibility, reducing desktop clutter. The Razer Synapse software provides vast customization options, and the plush wrist rest enhances comfort during long sessions. However, be wary of quick battery drain if the RGB lighting is at full brightness. Third, we have the Logitech G915 TKL, an esports favorite. Its Tenkeyless design makes it portable, perfect for LAN parties, and the sturdy aluminum construction ensures durability. This keyboard features hot swappable switches for easy customization without the need for soldering. However, it lacks dedicated macro keys and is priced around $150, which some might find steep for a TKL model. In fourth place is the Keychron K6, a budget-friendly wireless mechanical keyboard. Its compact 65% layout saves space while still offering essential keys for ease of use. The K6 supports multi-device pairing via Bluetooth and is priced around $85, providing excellent value. However, the plastic construction might not feel as premium, and RGB customization is limited. Finally, we present the Ducky One 2 Mini, favored by the streaming community for its compact 60% design that saves desk space, making it highly portable. Its double-shot PBT keycaps are durable, and it offers a range of RGB effects and switch options. However, the lack of a dedicated function row might be an adjustment for some users. Let us know which mechanical keyboard you'd choose in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.